It's Friday, and we're on our way to Friday Harbor, because it's Friday. I'm at Friday Harbor, which is on San Juan Island, which is kind of between Seattle and British Columbia. It's part of Washington State. Friday Harbor is the southeast part of San Juan Island, and it's like a little idyllic town out here. It's very cute, kind of old-timey. And you kind of walk around downtown, but it's a quite large island, so they've got other ways to get around. They've got mopeds you can rent bikes, you can actually take a car here on a ferry from the mainland, and they have an oyster farm we're going to go check out a little bit later. Harbor. Do you like lavender? Friday Harbor's got lavender. I'm at Westcott Bay Shellfish Company. Get some oysters. Check this out. A working agriculture farm that grows Pacific oysters, Manila clams, and Mediterranean mussels. All cultivated on the tidelands of Westcott Bay. Still on San Juan Island. All right, let's go check it out. The oysters start as little tiny pearl, they said almost pinky sized oysters in the flat line ones that go into the water, and then after a year and a half they get moved over into the larger ones that are hanging into the water. They can fit up to, what was it, 1,000 in these flat ones, but then when they get larger they can fit up to 250 to 300 in the hanging ones, and those get finished for another year and a half in there where they get harvested. in Lime Kiln State Park on San Juan Island in Washington State, and hopefully we're gonna see some whales. Let's go. A great day on San Juan Island, Friday Harbor. Unfortunately, no whales, but other than that, what a fantastic day with fresh oysters. Got to see the lavender fields, had a great breakfast, got out of the city. Definitely a must-see, and the weather's absolutely beautiful. Great ferry ride. Definitely stop by, check it out, make a day trip of it. Subscribe, like. See you next time. Bye bye, San Juan Island. See you again soon.